In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your Xbox controller is not connecting to your Xbox Series S or X. So the first thing you want to do is flip over your controller, and then you want to take out the batteries for 5 to 10 seconds. I also recommend you put in a fresh pack of batteries, as having low ones can cause connection issues. So after you've done this, you can press and hold the sync button on the top of your controller, then press it on your Xbox, and after a few seconds, they should connect. Now, if that didn't work, the next thing you want to do is press and hold the X button on your controller for about 5 to 10 seconds until it fully shuts off. So after it shuts off, what you'll want to do next is press and hold the power button on your Xbox console for 10 seconds until it fully shuts off. So once it's fully shut off, you can turn it over, and you want to unplug the power cable for 30 to 60 seconds, and then go ahead and plug it back in. Then you can boot up your console again, and once it's turned on, grab your Xbox controller and press the pairing button at the top of your controller, and then press the pairing button on your console, and then it should connect after a few seconds. Now, if it's still not working, at this point, I'd grab yourself a USB-C cable and plug it into your Xbox, then plug it into the top of your controller just to make sure your controller's working, and it should vibrate when you plug in the USB-C cable. And you may have to press the X button once and then it'll be working. If this guide is helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.